Are you looking to live in the Brookhaven area and you prefer new construction? Well, in this property tour, we're back in Brookhaven for another new construction property tour. What's up, everyone? It's Taryn Richardson, your Atlanta realtor with eXp Realty. And whether you're looking to move in 60 days or 6 months, I can help make your move as smooth as possible. Feel free to reach out. All my contact information is in the description below. All right, on to the property tour coming up right now. If you enjoy these property tours, consider leaving a thumbs up, subscribing, and hit that bell notification button so you never miss another one. So what was your favorite feature of this home? Would love to hear your thoughts. Let me know in the comments below. And this builder is building a lot of these beautiful homes in Drew Valley and Brookhaven. So if you'd like to see this property or maybe some of the other ones, feel free to reach out. All my contact information is in the description below. All right, you want to watch the next video? Click over here. You never want to miss another one? I'd consider subscribing. Click over here. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.